This AI wants to replace your app hopping. That is the real point of Wingman, the new WhatsApp and Telegram agent from Emergent. The interesting part is not that it can chat. The interesting part is that it is trying to turn one message thread into a place where work actually gets done. According to Intelligent Living, Wingman is built to handle real chores across connected tools, sorting an inbox, drafting follow-ups, summarizing long threads, and helping with scheduling from inside chat. That sounds small, but the habit change is big. A lot of phone-first work is pure switching cost. Open WhatsApp. Jump to email. Check the calendar. Copy the details. Go back to the client thread. Fix the draft. Then repeat on bad Wi-Fi while you are moving. Wingman's pitch is simple. Stay in one conversation, ask for the result, then approve what matters. In other words, fewer taps, fewer context resets, less tiny coordination work. That is why this matters beyond one startup. Messaging apps are where people already live. If AI agents get good enough inside those windows, the future of productivity might look less like opening smarter software and more like not opening extra software at all. The catch is trust. The same reporting makes clear that approval gates and security boundaries matter, because an agent touching your inbox, calendar, or other tools can also make expensive mistakes. So no, this is not autopilot. But it may be the first version of practical mobile AI that normal workers actually want, not a genius in your pocket, just a reliable helper that keeps you from bouncing across 6 apps to finish one simple task.